The labor to do on this machine is remove the shaft, everything here, the motor, this bracket, this shaft, the Boeing Wonder unit, and remove the 4 gear. This is only the gear broken, but I need to remove everything. It's better to replace all 4 because it's the same work. If for any reason break this gear, I will need to remove this and the shaft and everything again, or this one, the same work. Also, the top gear is still, the black one is still in working condition, but they have, I believe they have the same years working, still working, but I don't know how long will be in working conditions. And if I remove this one, I will need to remove everything here, everything, all the work. So this is the work, and reset adjustment, all adjustments, zigzag, timing, the position, everything, and check the position bracket, calibrate tensions, polish hook point, remove rugged spot on the plate hole, clean up, remove dirt, clean joints, mechanism part connections. Yeah, full cleaning. So, but yeah, this is a good machine, and the other one too. But the work is big work. Is like a half day or more than that.